there, I'm Sandra from Studio 23. I'd like to talk to you a little bit about our SWAA. We use our SWAA to take payments from customers who want to buy our art, and we also use it to record which art pieces have been sold, which artists have made some money, and we want to make sure that we get that recorded accurately so people can get paid. Sue, our treasurer, also uses SWAA to calculate the amount of sales tax that we have to pay, but that's nothing to do with artists. You don't have to worry about sales tax in SWAA at all, ever. Okay, so this is, as I say, it's a video about the basics of how SWAA works. Enjoy. First, you'll see the SWAA here. It's black, it's blank. It's not switched on. So to switch it on, you press this button here at the side. You press it once, and then you might need to press it again. Sometimes it's twice to get to this screen. And now you need to put in the password. Say somebody buys one of David's cards for $7. Okay, that's what we did before, and we're doing it again. There's David Lawhead, $7, tax 54 cents. And say Leah Higgins also has a card that they want to buy for $6. So we do that. And you see it comes up here in the same transaction. We don't take the payment until we've put all the people's transactions in. So say we'll put in Ruston, and somebody pays oh, that's actually a good thing to do. So I put in 7 there, and it wasn't the number I wanted. So if I press the back button, it takes it away. So say $25 is going to Ruston for a print. We don't want to take it away, it's there, so we just press that. And there's 3 items. There's the total tax, and there's no discounts being given. And so we want to charge $40.94. And we say to the person, that will be $40.94. And we charge it. Card reader that we use when we take a payment by credit card. We don't handle the credit card. This is for customers only. The customer will either put their card in here. If it has this kind of chip on it, it just goes in there, and the machine, the screens just jump into the receipt page because it takes the payment instantly. Another way to use it is if the card has this little icon here, you tap the card like that, and the machine will take the payment. Another way is if people have iPhones, they can actually use the corner of their iPhone and tap it on here. It's a cash sale. If we click the amount of $40.94, then we have to calculate the change. But the customer is offering $50. So if we click $50, look what happens. There we are. It tells us how much change to give them, and it also asks what receipt they would like. This is the receipt page that comes up after every charge. So we can send them an email receipt or a text receipt or no receipt. And most people don't want a receipt. If they do want an email receipt, you click that, and then you ask them their email and you put it in. And the same with the text. If they want you to text, you click that, and then you ask them their telephone number, and you just put it in and press receipt, and off it will go. There's no receipt. So it takes us to this page. We are done. Okay, we can click no thanks, or there was a new sale up there, we can click that, but it brings us back to the checkout page, ready for the next customer. So there's the page. Press more. You see there's 3 little lines down here. You press more, it brings up this list of things. And there's transactions. So here's the 2 transactions that I just did. There's the one for $40.94, and it was paid for by cash. There's the receipt, there's the artist and the amount, and the tax and the total. Okay, so anytime you've taken a sale, just go to the transaction page, and the information you need to write in our sales book is right there. Transactions are always there and available. Date, artist name, and whether it was a card or a print or whatever, and the amount. You see they're all organized by date. So this is one from a few days ago, March the 14th. It was a sale for $30.17. It tells you whether it's a cash or a credit card that it's been paid by. There is a credit card. It gives you the receipt, gives you the person's name. This is the artist. So the date, March 14th, and you write in Leanne Glassford, there she is. And it was a one small painting, and the price is $28. There it's there, there it's there, all there. You can ignore the tax. Tax has nothing to do with this book. It's just the price of the item that the artist made. And I just want to show you how to clear an item if you've accidentally put information in that isn't the way you want it to be. So say Suzanne, we're processing a sale for Suzanne. She can sell cards for $10. And I put it in as $1. That's not good. So you see current sale 1, there's 3 wee dots. So if I press the 3 wee dots, clear items, that's gone. It's not been registered on Square because it's not been charged, and it's just been erased. It's like somebody took an eraser over it and took it away. So here we are, we're back at checkout. And to get back to the main screen, say you accidentally go back here to the main screen that comes up, how do you get back to the checkout screen? You see this little icon here? It's square, square, and square. Little square, white square, bigger grey square, bigger white square. Because this machine is called the Square, and this is its icon. So if you press on that, it takes you straight back to the checkout page. It might take you to the top of the page, and if that's the case, you just want to go down to where the artists are, and you can start the next sale. Okay, thanks for listening. Bye.